Some key things I want to talk to you about in this Bitcoin news video. I'm going to give you a Bitcoin price prediction. I'm going to talk to you about a major buy alert for Bitcoin. We're going to talk about the state of the union for Bitcoin and what we see playing out maybe for the remainder of June, July from a Bitcoin price prediction standpoint. So thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time. If you're new to me, please give me a like, give me a subscribe here on YouTube. On the subscribe here on YouTube, by the way, it's free. It just means you follow my content. And if you're watching this on X, give me a follow. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, so here's what's going on. We've got the overall market capitalization at 0.75. Woohoo, we're screaming up, right? But we are at 3.46 trillion. We've got a nice bounce back. We got Bitcoin running right now as of the recording of the video at 110 and change. We still have our all-time high in place of 111,970. We are 1.63% away from that. Doesn't sound too far, does it? All right. So I got a lot to cover here. So if we take a look at kind of what's going on in the overall market, I haven't looked at this recently in the last couple of hours. I want to look. Come on. Well, the Yahoo Finance side is not loading for me. That's fun. All right. So, oh, there we go. Okay. So inflation expected to tick higher amid tariff jitters. Okay, so it looks like we got a little bit of tariff jitters, but I've heard that the U.S. and the China trade talks are going well, may extend to Wednesday per Letnick. Okay, so the reason I'm bringing this up is I think this is having a direct corollary, a direct impact on you and your Bitcoin. Okay, is the U.S.-China trade talks are going well, quote, could stretch into Wednesday. That's a good thing. I saw earlier today that they might have actually been ending and they might have been done. So we're getting a little bit of conflicting information, but I'll believe this because Letnick is saying it, and we could be stretching into Wednesday, which I take as a good point or as a good thing. Okay, so and I think that's having a positive impact on Bitcoin. I think that's why we're up 4+% in the last 7 days. Okay. So as I promised you, we have a buy alert coming in for Bitcoin. Now, I did tell you guys about this a few days ago. Every single one of these candles coming in here is 6 hours worth of trading data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about less than, I don't know, 20 hours ago, we had a buy alert. Now, I did do a specific video. I mentioned this, but I wanted to bring this back around to let you guys know about this. We had a buy alert come in for Bitcoin. Now, the last time we had a buy alert was back on the 9th of April. You see that right there. And from that buy alert there to that sell alert there in 50 days, Bitcoin went up 42%. Okay, so am I guaranteeing you that's going to happen? Absolutely not. That is not the point. And if I could, I would. If I could guarantee and had a crystal ball, probably would be not doing YouTube videos. I would probably be just a little rich from knowing the perfect Bitcoin formula. But you get my point. I believe fundamentally that we are going to see it going up. And again, you want me to ask you about the closest thing I've got for crystal ball is my trading indicator telling you when to buy and when to sell, giving you that green box that says momentum up. That is a buy alert. That red box that says momentum down, that is a sell alert. Okay. So it's a sell alert coming in. And so over 50 days, it came in and said there's a 42% move up. Buy here, sell here. So $1,000 bought here, then sold here would have made you a profit of $426. Passive. You would have made that just by using the software. The software literally costs you about $1.15 a day. The links are in the description below this video. If you're watching this on X, links below this video as well. The quarterly option is the cheapest, and it's cheaper than that if you use the discount code down by the link. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. You get to try the software. If you don't like it for 30 days, you get a complete refund. All right, here's another view of Ethereum. Look, buy here, sell there. Buy here, sell there. 44 days, 70% pretty much. $2,000 bought here, sold here would have made you another $1,400 in profit. And you can see we have a buy alert right there coming in on Ethereum as well. You see, notice how it said sell, and then Ethereum, to show you. Ethereum right here went down, came back up, and then as the software started to see the trend start to reverse and change, it issued another buy alert. Okay, that's how it works. How would you like to know when to buy, when to sell? It only costs you about $1.15. That's less than you spend on a cup of coffee. That's less than a soda at the convenience store. a hamburger costs you more. Okay. Is your financial future worth more to you than a cup of coffee? I would hope that you would say yes. Links down there in the description. Give it a look. Okay. But we have a buy alert coming in for Bitcoin. That's a good thing. Okay. So letting you guys know, again, I did let you know about this, but I wanted to reiterate this. Not all of you guys see all of my videos. So I wanted to tell you guys about this. If you want to take advantage of the software. Oh, and oh, by the way, you can use it for stocks as well. Notice the software right here. Buy here, sell here, buy, so forth for Tesla. Right there. You see it's Tesla. It is working for stocks as well. Works for Forex as well. All that kind of stuff. Okay. So give it a look. Links down there in the description, right down there. Go take a look at it. As always, appreciate you giving me a few minutes. From an XRP price prediction, I think we're going to see Bitcoin price prediction. Been a long day. From a Bitcoin price prediction, I think we're going to continue to see it rise right now because we're getting positive news having to do with these U.S. and China trade discussions. And the trend line is showing that we are moving up because after that buy alert came in, you see right there, we've seen Bitcoin now in one day, 18 hours, give or take, it's up 5.8%. Yeah, it's like a cheat code. Get it? All right, I'll see you. Have a good one.